The Distress tool weathers the image. Select the job, then choose Jobs menu, Catalog Effects, Distressed. Use Image Desaturation to remove color, dulling the image. The tint color will blend in this color, discoloring the image. For the selected mask, the Preset Masks slider adjusts the effect. Depending on the mask, choose either the light or dark threshold options, then adjust the threshold slider. For the generated texture, this slider will adjust its strength, and this tab modifies the texture quality. The Distressed Frame tool adds a weathered frame and weathers the image. For the same job, we choose Jobs menu, Catalog Effects, Distressed Frames. The border and frame controls adjust border size and qualities. The edge color controls affect frame colors and texture. The noise controls introduce additional frame texture. The Displacement tab textures affect the image. Turn on this option when choosing the texture, then turn it off and adjust the effect. Either tool can be used independently. To review, we applied the Distress tool for the initial effect, then Distressed Frame was added with extra distortion.